Very warm good morning, students. Welcome to the chapter of Living World and first section, which is free for you. Okay, in this session, what I'm telling is that we are discussing the important points that has to be discussed in the next videos. Okay, first of all, I welcome all of you to my video. And introducing myself, my name is Muhammad Aslam. I'm from Kerala, India. Okay, when you think about the textbook of our class 11, I mean NEET UG class 11, it is a little bit of thicker than the usual textbook that you have studied in the 10th standard. More than that, there are several units and several chapters also there. In this one, the unit 1, living world, that what we have discussing here. That what we are discussing here. Okay. When you look up at the chapter, you can see the living world is the chapter in which there are two topics. Topic number one is diversity, and the topic number two is taxonomy. So there are two topics that have to be discussed in the further videos. They are diversity in the living world and taxonomy categories. So diversity and taxonomy are the two important videos that we are discussing after this video. Okay, now let's look. I'm highlighting that first of all I want to tell you about living world, and these two topics will discuss under separate paid videos. Okay, before starting, let me tell what is really mean by biology. Biology means study of life. I mean, the term bio means life, logy means study. So, biology means study of life. Those study of life means so there are different organisms which have life. Especially plant will grow, plant will have several ability, reproduce, everything is there. Therefore, the branch of biology which deals with the botany is actually the branch of biology which deals with the plants, whereas zoology is the branch of biology which deals with the animals. That you know, I think. Anyway, whatever may be the animal or plants, everything belongs to one group which is known as organism. Organism. So study of life or study of organism, we can say for biology. Okay. If you look at around us, you can see cloud, pencil, cycle, drill, car, plane, mobile, everything are non-living things. But the living things are tiger, spider, flower, giraffe, flies, frog, fish, fox, bird. Some things are belongs to plant and another things belongs to animals. So they are living things that make different from that is different from our non-living things. Okay. So I'm telling only points that is under the NCRT textbook. Okay. We are telling only the points that included under NCRT textbook. We are telling nothing other than this point. Okay. Every point we are not missing also. Okay. We are not missing any points from the NCRT also. So biology is the study of life. Botany and zoology are two branches, and both plants and animals have life. Therefore, they are called organisms. And this particularly in this video, what I have to highlight is that the term habitat. What is really habitat? If you want to know what is habitat, first of all, I want to show you some habitats here. Desert is a habitat in which you can see the cactus plant. Domestic habitat contain human. Farm habitat contain wheat, rice, etc. Forest contain plenty of trees. That's an habitat in which you can see several kind of organism. Polar habitat, if you look at the polar region, you can see the penguin and some fishes. Whereas wetland contains fishes and rainforest contains several plants and animals. Ocean contain plenty of fishes and other sea animals. So the thing is that these are all habitat. Desert, forest, lake, polar region, ocean, pond, etc. Freshwater, river, etc. Therefore, what is habitat? Habitat is a place where organism lives. It can be in the pond, it can be an ocean, or it can be a forest, it can be a desert, etc. What I told you, this desert, forest, tropical rainforest, domestic habitat, or everything belongs to normal environment. That is, they are all ordinary habitat, but there is an extraordinary habitat. I mean, very extreme condition in which naturally there will not be any organism, but some organism, a few organism adapt there. They are this kind of habitat. For example, hot springs. Hot springs are the springs. I mean, water body, small water body having the hot water. I will show you that thing. They are example for extraordinary habitat. You can see. Let's look at a question. This is about hot spring. A small spring in which hot water present. In cold countries, people used to bath in this hot spring. It's very good. More than that, you can see here cold mountain, desert forest, ocean, freshwater lake, desert, all are ordinary. But find the most extraordinary habitat is hot springs here. If there is no hot spring, what you have to select? You have to select the desert one. Okay. So we discussed the living world, all these informative points we discussed, and you have to deal with the diversity and taxonomy. So I am giving you what are the points that you have to study in this diversity and this taxonomy. Actually, this point we will be discussed under paid video. So I strongly recommend that following this video, you have to see the paid video so that you will understand all my points. In this video, what I am showing is that what are the points that I am going to discuss under the next video. Okay. Now you can see here diversity of living world contain the term biodiversity that I will tell you, species, nomenclature of species, and classification of organism. Let me tell. Biodiversity means you can look at the figure. You see birds, flies, coconut tree, humans, butterflies, hippopotamus, and birds, everything, fishes, and other organisms, everything constitute a biodiversity. As the number of species increases, biodiversity increases. That's what biodiversity, diversity of organisms, different species is what we call biodiversity, that we are going to explain in the paid video. Okay. Next term that I am going to explain in the paid video is species. Fish is a species. Cat is a species. Birds are species. Butterflies are species. This is what known by the name species. Different species, a group of different species constitute the biodiversity. Okay. Now, next thing that I am going to discuss under paid video is binomial nomenclature. Binomial nomenclature means there will be two names. For example, tiger. For tiger, we name it as Panthera tigris. Species name, genus name, etc. I will teach you in our paid video. And now let's look at the second topic that we are going to discuss under third video of under living world. So first video is an introduction free for you. Second video, diversity. It's a paid video. It's very least fees and very good education. That's our policy. And the third video I will explain about the second topic of living world, that is taxonomic category. This is what taxonomic category: species, genus, family, order, class, and phylum, kingdom. I will teach you how to by heart this taxonomical hierarchy. I will teach that thing. I will teach you what is taxa. I will teach you what is hierarchy and everything. Okay. I mean, how to by heart this order, that I will teach you under paid video. This photo is from our textbook. Okay. Now the most informative aspect of our video is actually this table that we are given under NCERT textbook at last. When you watch our paid video, you can easily say that man, Homo sapien, housefly, Musca domestica, mango, Mangifera indica, wheat, Triticum aestivum, and I will help you to learn this genus, family, order, class, and phylum, everything into your mind. I will explain what is angiosperms, I will explain what arthropoda, I will explain what is insecta, mammalia, monocotyledons, and the family, poils, Anacardiaceae, Muscidae, Hominida, everything in the paid video. So don't skip. You must watch the paid video. You know, the fee for our paid video will surprise you. Very least fee and very good education. That's our policy. And see you in the next video. And I really appreciate you watched my video. Thank you very much. Okay.